Next problem in De Moivre's theorem. Praveen sir. Theorem. If cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma is equal to 0 is equal to sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma, then show that first one is cos 3 alpha plus cos 3 beta plus cos 3 gamma is equal to 3 cos of alpha plus beta plus gamma. Second one is sin 3 alpha plus sin 3 beta plus sin 3 gamma is equal to 3 sin of alpha plus beta plus gamma. Third one is cos alpha plus beta plus cos beta plus gamma plus cos gamma plus alpha is equal to 0. Okay, Nana, we will observe in this one what is given here. Given that cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma is equal to 0 is equal to sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma. This is given one. Cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma is equal to 0 is equal to sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma. We will observe in this one. Here we will take that x is equal to CAS alpha, y is equal to CAS beta, z is equal to CAS gamma. Will write where CAS alpha is nothing but cos alpha plus I sin alpha. CAS beta means cos beta plus sin beta. CAS gamma means sin gamma plus I sin gamma. That I will take x plus y plus z is equal to CAS of alpha plus CAS of beta plus CAS of gamma. Will write where CAS of alpha is cos alpha plus I sin alpha. CAS of beta is cos beta plus I sin beta. CAS gamma is cos gamma plus I sin gamma. Will write here I will common with cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma is common. Remaining we have to write plus I into sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma. Will write where cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma is equal to 0 as well as sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma is equal to 0. 0 into any value is 0. That I will write x plus y plus z is equal to 0. We know that one formula, if x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then we have to write x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3x yz will write here by using this condition. If x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3x yz will write here. What about the value of x here? Where x is CAS of alpha, y is CAS of beta, z is CAS of gamma will write, that is CAS of alpha whole cube plus CAS of beta whole cube plus CAS of gamma whole cube is equal to 3 into where x is CAS of alpha, y is CAS beta, z is CAS gamma will write. We'll observe in this one CAS of alpha whole cube, that we have to write CAS of 3 alpha plus, here we have to write CAS of 3 beta plus CAS of 3 gamma will write. Given one, when it is of the form, already we know that one formula, CAS of alpha into CAS of beta is CAS of alpha plus beta, but CAS of alpha into CAS of beta into CAS of gamma is CAS of alpha plus beta plus gamma will write. That means we have to expand in this one, that I will write cos 3 alpha plus I sin 3 alpha. This we have to written as cos 3 beta plus I sin 3 beta. Cos 3 gamma will write cos 3 gamma plus I sin 3 gamma will write. We have to expand in this one 3 into CAS of alpha plus beta plus gamma, that we have to write cos alpha plus beta plus gamma plus I into sin alpha plus beta plus gamma will write. Given one can be divided into their real and imaginary part, that I will write cos 3 alpha plus cos 3 beta plus cos 3 gamma, where I is common, remaining we have to write sin 3 alpha plus sin 3 beta plus sin 3 gamma is equal to, what we have to write in this one, that is equal to 3 into cos of alpha plus beta plus gamma plus I into, remaining we have to write 3 into sin of alpha plus beta plus gamma will write. We'll observe comparing real and imaginary part, comparing real and imaginary part, we get comparing real and imaginary part, what we have to write, where given the real part is cos 3 alpha plus cos 3 beta plus cos 3 gamma is 3 cos of alpha plus beta plus gamma will write here cos 3 alpha plus cos 3 beta plus cos 3 gamma is equal to 3 cos of alpha plus beta plus gamma will write. After we'll take in this one, remaining we have to write sin 3 alpha plus sin 3 beta plus sin 3 gamma will write. This is the imaginary part. For the given imaginary part, that we have to write 3 sin of alpha plus beta plus gamma will write. This is the two conditions. This is the two conditions. After we'll take, we'll observe here the given condition is x plus y plus z is equal to 0. Given condition is x plus y plus z is equal to 0 means their reciprocals are also 0. That I will write 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z will become 0. X plus y plus z will become 0. Then their reciprocals are also 0. That means 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z is also 0. Here, there, given LCM is x by z. Here x is common, remaining we have to write yz, xz plus xy is equal to 0. 0 into any value is 0. Remaining we have to write xy plus yz plus zx is equal to 0. So what about the value of x here? Where x is CAS of alpha, will write CAS of alpha into y is CAS of beta plus y is CAS of beta into z is CAS gamma plus z is CAS gamma into x is CAS alpha, will write is equal to 0. CAS of alpha into CAS of beta is CAS of alpha plus beta, will write. Here also we have to write CAS of beta plus gamma. Again we'll write in this one CAS of gamma plus alpha is equal to 0. Here we have to expansion of CAS is cos of alpha plus beta plus I sin of alpha plus beta. This is the first two condition will prove. This is the first two conditions will prove. After we have to expand in this one, that is cos beta plus beta plus gamma, nothing but alpha. Beta plus gamma plus I sin beta plus gamma plus cos gamma plus alpha plus I sin gamma plus alpha is equal to 0. Given one can be separated the real and imaginary parts, that I will write cos alpha plus beta plus cos beta plus gamma plus cos gamma plus alpha. Here I will common with I, remaining we have to write sin alpha plus beta plus sin beta plus gamma plus sin gamma plus alpha. Gamma plus alpha is equal to this. We have to write 0 plus I into 0 will write. Here we'll compare their real part. Here we'll compare their real part. Comparing real part. We have to comparing in the real part. What we have to write? Cos alpha plus beta plus cos beta plus gamma plus cos gamma plus alpha is equal to 0. This is the third proof. This is the third proof. We'll write. Okay, Nana. After now, I am going to next problem. If small n is an integer, small n is an integer and z is equal to CAS theta and theta does not is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2 when it is a odd number of integer. theta does not take a odd number of integers, then show that z power 2n minus 1 by z power 2n plus 1 is equal to I tan n theta will prove. I tan n theta will prove. We will observe in this one. What is given complex number? Z is CAS theta, that I have to write as cos theta plus I sin theta will write. But we have to find out their LHS is z power 2n minus 1 by z power 2n plus 1, where z is nothing but cos theta plus I sin theta. That will write cos theta plus I sin theta whole power 2n minus 1 by cos theta plus I sin theta whole power 2n plus 1 will write. How to expand in this one? Cos theta plus I sin theta whole power n is nothing but cos n theta plus I sin theta. Here also will write cos 2n theta plus I sin 2n theta minus 1 by, here also will write cos 2n theta plus I sin 2n theta plus 1 will write. Here we have to write minus 1 plus cos 2n theta plus I sin 2n theta by, their denominator is 1 plus cos 2n theta plus I sin 2n theta will write. Here I will common with the minus 1, remaining we have to write 1 minus cos 2n theta plus this we have to write I into sin 2n theta by 1 plus cos 2n theta, remaining we have to write I sin 2n theta will write. We will observe in this one. We know that cos 2 theta in terms of cos theta, we will write their formula. Cos 2 theta in terms of cos theta, that is the formula is 2 cos square theta minus 1 will write. 2 cos square theta minus 1 will write. That means here will become this one. What we have to write in this one? Okay, theta will take n theta, that I will write cos 2n theta will write 2 cos square n theta minus 1 will write 2 cos square n theta minus 1 will write. Again we'll take this one. What is cos 2 theta in terms of sin theta? That is nothing but 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Here also theta will take n theta, that I will write cos 2n theta, that I have to write 1 minus 2 sin square n theta will write. How to apply in this one? How to apply in this one, that I will write. What we have to write in this one? Here we'll substitute, again we'll take sin 2 theta is nothing but 2 sin theta cos theta will write. Here also theta will take n theta, that I will write sin 2n theta is equal to 2 sin n theta cos n theta will write. Here we will observe in this one. First I have to write cos 2n theta. Here will there cos 2n theta. How to expand in this one? Plus value becomes that side and this value becomes that side, that I will write 2 sin square n theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2n theta will write. Again we will observe in this one. Here we have to write minus 1 becomes this side, that I will write plus 1. That means 1 plus cos 2n theta is equal to 2 cos square n theta will write. 1 plus cos 2n theta is equal to 2 cos square n theta will write. We will observe 1 minus cos 2n theta will write as We'll write as 2 sin square n theta, that is minus 2 sin square n theta plus I into sin 2 n theta. Will write 2 sin n theta cos n theta. Will write by the denominator is 1 plus cos 2 n theta. Will write 2 cos square n theta plus I into this. We have to write 2 sin n theta cos n theta. Will write here. Will take minus. Minus means that will take minus 1. Minus 1 is nothing but I square. Will write. That means here we have to write in this one 2I square sin square n theta plus 2I sin n theta cos n theta by here the denominator is 2 cos square n theta plus I into 2 sin n theta cos n theta. Will write here I will common with 2I sin n theta is common. Remaining we have to write 2I sin n theta is common. Remaining we have to write. What is the common? I sin n theta plus 2I sin n theta is common. Remaining we have to write cos n theta by their denominator. Here also I will common with 2 cos n theta. Remaining we have to write cos n theta plus I sin n theta. Will write whereas both terms will be cancelled. Here also 2 and 2 will be cancelled. Remaining we have to write I sin n theta by cos n theta. That must be written as I into sin n theta by cos n theta is tan n theta. Will write this is the value of RHS. This is the value of RHS. ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ సెకండ్ ఇయర్ రెండు పోతుంది. ఎంత ఫీజు? ఫస్ట్ రెండు పోతే now I am going to next problem. If 1 plus x whole power n is equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus and so on plus an x power n, then show that the first one is a0 minus a2 plus a4 minus a6 plus and so on is equal to 2 power n by 2 into cos n pi by 4. The second one is a1 minus a3 plus a5 minus a7 plus and so on is equal to 2 power n by 2 into sin n pi by 4. Sin n pi by 4. We will observe in this one what we have to write in this one. Here given one, that I have to write 1 plus x whole power n is equal to a naught plus a1x plus a2x square and so on plus an into x power n will write. Here I will take the numerator and the denominator with root 2. Numerator and denominator can multiplying and divided root 2 in this one, that I will write root 2 by root 2 into 1 plus x whole power n is equal to a naught plus a1x plus a2x square and so on plus an x power n will write. How to expand in this one, that I will write root 2 into 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 plus remaining we have to write. There given one can written as nothing but x. 1 by root 2 into remaining we have to write. Here I will take let x is equal to I will take we have to write in this one root 2 into 1 by root 2 plus I into 1 by root 2 whole power n will write a naught plus a1i plus a2i square plus a3i cube plus a power 4 I power 4 and so on plus an into I power n will write. We will observe in this one, when the given complex number it is of the form cos theta plus I sin theta. In this cos 1 by root 2 will become cos pi by 4, that I will write root 2 whole power n into remaining we have to write cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4 whole power n will write. This we have to written as a naught plus a1i plus, where I square will become minus 1, that I have to write minus a2, where I cube is minus I will write I cube is minus I will write, that I have to write in this one. Okay, a naught plus a1 into I plus minus a2, I cube is equal to I square into I will write, that means minus 1 into I is nothing but minus I, that I have to write minus a3 into I. Again we'll write in this one I power 4 is nothing but 1, that I have to write a power 4. Next one will take minus a power 5i plus and so on will take. We will observe in this one root 2 whole power n, this we have to write as 2 power n by 2 into remaining we have to write cos theta plus I sin theta whole power n is nothing but cos n theta plus I sin n theta, cos n pi by 4 plus I sin n pi by 4 is equal to, first here will write there real number, the real number a naught minus a2 plus a4 will write a naught minus a2 plus a4 minus and so on plus I will common with I, remaining we have to write a1 minus a3 minus a5 nothing but a power 5 is nothing but plus a power 5 minus a7 plus and so on will write. We have to expand in this one, that I will write 2 power n by 2 into cos n pi by 4 plus I into, here also will multiplied 2 power by 2 into sin n pi by 4 will write, that is nothing but a naught minus a2 plus a4 minus and so on plus, here will write plus I into 3 plus a5 minus a7 plus and so on. Here we will observe in this two, comparing comparing real and imaginary parts